Alright, so hey Rock Club Foundation, how you doing up there? I got you guys up there so you can see down. And what I got working on today is I'm making Rock Club Foundation emblems. Basically, they're kind of hard thing to draw, but you know, if you just take out a pen and try to draw it. But it's very simple once you start folding it. So basically what you do, first thing you do, you start the middle line. And try to keep everything even. Because, you know. And then you come back out here. And you make the bottom sign like this. So that's the bottom of the point. And then you take that point and meet up with the end right here. And so then you got this point in the middle is even. You got a point across here. Take the point across here. Make it even. Make the fold across there. And this goes even down like that. And then that even down like that. And then so then you gotta have the top section, and how you get that even is by folding in like this. Right, so this is half and this is half, right? And that is and then make the bottom of the peace sign is you go kind of take the bottom and you make the point. And fold it over like that. There you go, that's make the bottom of the peace sign. And then this goes like that. And that's to make the peace sign. And then this goes like that. And so here you go. That's pretty cool, ain't it? So yeah, you got the Rock Club diamond. Boom.